If you can buy a nice new car, typically you can get into a business. Or you can get into even a franchise. If you can buy the car, you can buy that. But what's the car going to do? It's going to go down in value, where the business is going to take you up in value. But just like buying that car, you're going to look under the hood, you're going to go through everything. In other words, you're going to go into that restaurant, you're going to go into that service business, and you're going to go behind the counter, and you're going to see how things are working. And you get to see that inner workings of everything, and so that you know what you got, and you also get a feel that, hey, I feel good here. This is something that I would really like to do because I'm happy doing what I'm doing behind the counter, or I'm happy managing that manager that's going to be behind that counter. So it's more of an investment for you, not a job. It's an investment